Welcome to this tutorial on how to send money internationally with Revolut. Revolut is a digital banking app that allows you to send and receive money across the globe with ease and at a low cost. To get started, you will need to download the Revolut app and create an account. First, you need to add the recipient's details, including their name, email address, and the amount you want to send. You can choose from a wide range of currencies and the exchange rate will be displayed. Revolut offers competitive exchange rates and low fees, making it a great option for international money transfers. Once you have added the recipient's details, you will need to verify your identity. This is a one-time process and is required to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. You will need to provide a form of identification, such as a passport or driving license, and a proof of address. After verifying your identity, you can proceed to send the money. You can fund your transfer using your debit or credit card, or by transferring money from your bank account. The recipient will receive the money in their local currency, and they can withdraw it from an ATM or use it to make purchases online or in store. One of the key benefits of using Revolut is that it offers real-time exchange rates and low fees. This means that you can send money internationally without incurring high charges. Additionally, Revolut provides a secure and reliable way to send money, with all transactions being encrypted and protected by two-factor authentication. To ensure that your transfer is successful, make sure that the recipient's details are correct and that you have sufficient funds in your account. You should also be aware of any local regulations or restrictions on international money transfers. In conclusion, sending money internationally with Revolut is a quick and easy process. By following these steps and taking advantage of Revolut's competitive exchange rates and low fees, you can send money across the globe with confidence. Remember to always verify the recipient's details and ensure that you comply with all local regulations and restrictions. With Revolut, you can send money internationally with ease and at a low cost.